problems like this. Shorten these problems. So here you have 300 plus 20 plus 5 equals. Well, you see that you have a 3 in the hundreds place. Right there, that's the hundreds place. 2 in the tens place. And 5 in the ones place. To give you a total of 325. 1,800s, 110. Well, I know I have 1 in the thousands place. After that comes a comma. Then I have 800s, 110, and I have nothing for the ones place, but I can't just leave it like that. I have nothing in the ones place, so I have to show I have nothing by writing a 0. 1,810 is the answer to that one. Okay, so that's your place value for your lesson. Now, we're going to talk about time, the second part of your lesson on the back page. So if you're following along, it would be page 2 of your math book. So we're talking about time on this lesson. First, these are measures that you need to memorize if you have not done so already. So let's go over them. I'm going to say them 3 times each. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Good. Again, 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Good. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Perfect. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Good. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Yes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. One more. 1 day equals 24 hours. Good. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 day equals 24 hours. Very good. When you are reading a clock, there are 2 types of clocks. There's digital clocks, and then there's something that we also refer to as analog clocks. Analog clocks are the ones that look like this, and they go around. Digital clocks are very easy to read. You don't have to do much to be able to read those, but analog clocks are a little different. We have to count to read these clocks. I used to prefer to have digital clocks on my wrist, but now I like the analog ones better. So that's the kind that I wear. But I have to count in order to know what time it is. So I'm going to show you how to count to know what time it is. It's super easy. You guys already mostly know this. And if you don't know it, well then here you go. So when you are counting, the short hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. So say that with me. Short hand, hour hand. Long hand, minute hand. Short hand, hour hand. Long hand, minute hand. One more time. Short hand, hour hand. Long hand, minute hand. So the hour hand just counts the big numbers, the hours, and it goes slowly around my clock as this hand, the minute hand, goes faster around my clock. So each time that the minute hand goes completely around from the 12 back to the 12, this hour hand moves 1 number. So my hour hand counts each hour. The minute hand counts the minutes, and so as it goes to each number, it counts by 5. So 12 is 0 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 minutes. But we never say 60 because we start over again at 0 because it's a new hour. So when I want to tell time, let's say my clock is set like this. I have my minute hand here on the 6. My hour hand is not going to be precisely on one of the numbers because my hour hand is moving. So it's going to be in the middle of 2 numbers. So here it's in between the 8 and the 9. Well, which hour is it? It always is the smaller hour. So my hour is 8 And my minutes are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it is 8:30. And remember that we write time like this. Hour, dot, dot, minutes. And there always has to be 2 digits with our minutes. So, since there always has to be 2 digits, what if it looks like this? Well, my hour is on 11. And dot, dot, my minutes, I'm counting 5. I can't just write 5, I have to put a 0 first. 0, 5. So it's 11:05. And that's how you count them, okay? All right, so that is lesson number 1 in math. Alrighty, for those of you who are in 4th grade, you have one more lesson today. Those of you who are doing the 3rd grade book, you are done, all right? Do your homework now and have a wonderful day. Love you.